enjoyable to prep and plan out the next steps for our journey, and so excited that we're getting there.
Morning.
It's Mike and Joey.
It's Joey.
It's Mike.
Welcome to the Mike and Joey show.
Finally, we're gonna go get our taxes done. Yay!
It'll be interesting. There's a couple concerns, and it'll be interesting to see how it goes with the RV and what we can write off there. Here's one of those deals, or I'm not quite sure how it works. And then there's also our income was a little different this year, the way it came in, and so it'll be interesting.
So it's just all in preparation for that full-time journey. Wraps out, getting videos done, getting ready to launch YouTube soon.
Looking at mail forwarding services.
Yeah.
Getting everything ready. As soon as the rain gets done, we'll finish up more stuff in the RV, get that going. Then start really trimming it down and figuring out what's staying and what's not.
Yeah.
All that.
Already promising some things to people so we don't have to even worry about it. Simple stuff.
Yeah.
Furnishings.
Right.
That you don't need to pay to store. So I'd like to get it really down, so we don't have to pay to store a lot.
I can see that.
Yeah, that's the key, is
That's the key.
to minimize all the way down as to minimal as possible. Minimal going into the RV and minimal going into a storage facility that we're going to have to pay for.
That's right. Okay.
So what else?
Let's see what else we got going.
So I've done the Social Security thing. I went and signed up for that. It was so easy online, and did that whole thing and made my selections of what I wanted to do when it's time. And they called me within a week. It was really quite easy.
They actually called you, huh?
Yeah, everything on the phone. And I've already got my Medicare card.
Wow.
Medicare card.
Wow, cool.
Yeah, that was fast and easy. And we have an appointment this week with the broker for
the guy who knows
for
that
all
stuff.
the remaining
remaining
stuff on my insurance. So we'll be able to get those answers as well. It's like everything is falling in place exactly the way it's supposed to fall. And the new thing, I mean, we've got some plans already underway as well, right? We did that last weekend. We sat down and we thought out some things places to go and things to see and things to mark off our bucket list.
We have kind of an itinerary, a tentative itinerary.
Yeah.
And that's good. So we're coming right along there.
Signed up for several groups. So we've got the escapees. We're escapees, not escapers, but we're kind of escapers.
We could be either. We actually got both. So.
We got both. We've done that. We've done Good Sam. We've done Campendium on an app, which we really like. Let's see, what else did we get? Oh, Harvest Host. Oh, so much fun. We're going to do another one of those real soon. Up in the Lodi area. I want to see that vineyard that's on their list.
Yeah.
And then...
Right now, we're really just waiting for the weather. And spring is right now, isn't it? Today or tomorrow or something? Spring was
yesterday.
Spring has sprung.
Yes, we're very excited about that. In the meantime, we're just taking some simple little trips around
we're getting experience of everything.
Northern California, basically.
We're getting used to our cameras and our gear, and we're learning our editing, and all the stuff that we're going to need as we go along. And with the RV, we're getting a lot more experience with that. We're getting better at parking it more. We got to get good at parking it at places, because we're going to need to park it at places.
And driving it down small, narrow streets, too.
And
we have that in our neighborhood, because that's already there.
We've been there, but...
There's streets that were made in the 1800s, I swear. They're so tiny. But we get it down there, that's for sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but we still have to be cautious.
Especially if we're going to have a tow vehicle, which we're looking at. That's the next thing that we got to consider.
Well, the other thing that we've been doing has been upgrading or enhancing, not necessarily upgrading, but enhancing the little parts and pieces within our RV. Things like changing out the thermostat to a more modern one.
A video. I think it's going to be maybe 5 easy pieces or something.
that's a good
Which
idea.
is, little things that you can do, like the LED lights.
Yeah.
Switching out.
Oh, that made such a difference.
And huge, and it's cheap. These are things that cost less than $50.
Oh yeah.
And it's
definitely.
no big deal. Making sure you have a digital thermostat.
My favorite is the closet. We had those. What do you call them? Parallel closets, and now we're vertical. No, we had vertical closet. Now we're parallel. So we're going across.
So when I first looked at that closet, the way I said, that's a neat idea the way they got that, because it has a place for the hooks, so the hooks don't slide, and it goes all the way from front to back. It looks like you're going to be able to put more in that way. Maybe.
Not.
But what happens is the stuff in the back is hard to get to. So everything ends up in the front because the stuff in the back is real, especially when you got both sides.
And you can't really see what's in there
you
either.
have to
It's really hard. Even though it had 2 rows, it was really cool that it had 2 rows and it went all the way back. But after using it a few times, it was just not practical.
That wasn't the way.
Yeah.
So I put that bar, I got one of those hanging bars and shower bars, and put it in there and hooked it up, and now it's working great.
Yeah. And then, let's see, the other solution that I really, really love is the little inverter that we bought to be able to run the TV while we're out boondocking.
Yeah, and that's just a real cheap little guy. That will give us enough juice. And we got a couple little inverter things. And so it's great. Anyway, that'll be fine because that'll give us some time.
Right, and we've been collecting movies. We found some really interesting movies.
Old school movies.
Mike's mom has a wonderful collection we haven't even gotten into yet, but we have several movies that we had, and then we found movies, and then we found a few movies in the really inexpensive bins at Best Buy or Walmart or something. And some of these older movies, we may have watched them before, but we're watching them with new eyes, and they're really quite interesting.
They're great. Some of them they're really good movies. And I updated the TV.
Right,
so
now we can do Netflix and all that out there.
It's a
really
smart.
cool.
I updated the DVD player, so that's it's a smart DVD player when we have Wi-Fi.
Yep.
And I'm looking at the Wi-Fi setup, a hotspot that you carry with you.
Oh, that'll be cool.
So I'm looking at it, but we won't always have it available like that. But we'll have Wi-Fi when we have it. I don't know if I'm going to get a booster yet or not. Probably not this year. I'm not going to jump into that. I hate to put holes in the roof of this thing. That's something I really don't want to do.
So maybe we can find one that doesn't have to go that way. That would be cool. Maybe we can attach it to the ladder or something.
You do attach it to the ladder, but you have to bring a cable in. And run a cable, and there's where the rub is. So I don't know yet. But anyway, and the little light is really nice. Now that I found the on and off switch for it, the little solar light that everybody's been putting on their RVs. Those are great. And,
I forgot about that one.
Yeah, that's a really cool little.
That's
upgrade.
a nice little simple security thing too, so that if it goes on, somebody's kind of walking around your place. So and then we've got the bike's hooked up and all prepped for that. The thing for me that's my favorite thing for the RV is my new little mini Instant Pot. There's only 2 of us, so it works really well.
That's right.
We can make chili in there. We can make hard-boiled eggs. We don't have to buy them pre-done. We can make rice dishes and quinoa dishes and all kinds of things, and it's so quick and easy. And then it has leftovers so that we can have them for later in the week, which is
even
really,
though it's a
really
mini,
fun.
there's enough food to have
there's plenty.
2 meals each or more. Yeah.
We've done it in the bricks and sticks, and we have at least 3 meals out of each thing that I make.
Which is great.
And we've done everything in it from
so
ribs
you need 6 meals then?
I can
3 meals
sometimes
each?
I can do 3 to 6 meals.
At least 4.
Yeah, usually it's about 6.
Yeah, that's
and then I've got the containers that I can put it in and put it in the freezer, so it's perfect. So we just freeze it. It stays in the container. Take it out, put it in the microwave, or take it out, put it in the oven or something, and we're ready to go. We got a meal. And then figuring out those. We're both Weight Watchers, so we like to watch what we're eating and making sure that we're eating healthy along with the exercise and everything, which we're real excited about. Being able to hike and walk more and do that kind of thing. But the meals have been so far very, very easy to stay on plan with it. And even track what we're
It's so
eating.
flexible now. It's just great.
It's way flexible.
You can always figure out something.
As long as I got bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms and chicken, I can pretty much make anything.
Make anything. That's
Yeah,
right.
pretty
That's
much.
right. Yep.
Oh, and yogurt. I gotta have yogurt. Yogurt is what did we hear the other day? Yogurt is the duct tape for Weight Watchers. You can do anything with it. It becomes alternatives for all kinds of things. So that's been fun. Fun just
like
figuring
eggs.
out.
So as long as it gets some eggs too, I can do something.
Yeah.
But, you know,
Peanut butter and bread.
Peanut butter I try not to eat too much of. It's a little bit heavy
sometimes
on the
it's
points.
nice to have a
But at
little
least I
after
can have
an
it.
exercise or something.
Yep.
Yeah.
Beef jerky?
Yeah.
That's right.
Definitely.
I can eat enough beef jerky at low points. It's good.
Yeah. So anyway, we're sticking to plan on that. It's been pretty easy to do. Pretty easy. And maybe over time we can do a few little recipes online on YouTube to show people the kinds of things that can be made in our little Instapot or in the oven or whatever we choose to make. So anyway, I've got my little appliance place, my little appliance cupboard, which is under the seat of the bench. And I've got everything in there from a blender. I've got a little tiny waffle maker. I'm reconsidering that one. I may go with the big waffle maker yet. I've got the vacuum in there. I've got the Instapot in there. I've got the coffee
we bought
maker.
that little vacuum, huh? That little,
we got the little vacuum. That's very, very handy for the size of RV that we have. It's quick and easy.
We have to start considering weight pretty soon.
Yeah.
But we do have a maximum weight that we have to obtain. We cannot go over, and we do have to be careful on that.
I think we've been pretty careful though about what we put in there. We've been very selective. And then we bought those bins that go up in the cupboards that are able to keep everything organized. That's awesome. And then of course we have the overhead over the bed storage. So one of these days we'll have to do a RV tour. It'll be a quick one because it's not huge, but it does show how we utilize the space. Fun and enjoyable to prep and plan out the next steps for our journey, and so excited that we're getting there. So I would say that we should just close this out. We've chatted a lot about all the different things, but we'd love to hear from you. If you have any ideas or comments that you'd like to share with us, please put them in the comments below. And in the meantime, we'd love to have you as a subscriber. We want to build our audience as we move along. And please sign up and mark the little bell so you'll get notifications whenever we put videos on. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to have you acknowledge that we are doing something that is good for you or good for us and giving information, basically.
I hope you've enjoyed this talk today.
Yeah. And what do we want to do? Always
enjoy life.
Absolutely. Bye.
Bye.